Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I'm going to explain about short selling. So most of the people are not aware like what is short selling or how we can make a profit. So I'm going to explain all those things today. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today we are going to explain about short selling. So the term itself, it is indicating like what we are going to sell today. So the meaning of short selling is sell when it is a higher rate and buy when it is coming to the lower rate. For example, if you are selling at 100 rupees and when you have to buy on 90 or below that, so then only we can make a profit. And most of the people will be thinking, okay, how can I sell a share without even buying? So that is what we normally know, like only the general thing, like how to buy and sell. Like when the price is down, we have to buy, and when the price is going up, we have to sell. So this is what normally people will be knowing, like only the buying and selling. So if you are buying for 100 rupees and 110, you will be getting 10 rupees per share. So most of this is like the general way of trading, and this is advantage of short selling. Like this will work out only in intraday, and when the market is falling down, you can make a profit. Okay, let us see an example. Like for example, like like there is a share of 100 shares you are going to sell. So 100 quantity shares you are going to sell without even buying. So for example, you can take an Axis Bank. Okay, so Axis Bank shares is currently it is trading 100 rupees, and you are going to sell 100 rupees shares. And when you sell, you can see there will be minus 100. It means you sold the shares without even buying the shares, and you have sold the shares for 100 rupees. And now you can do the stop loss should be above that, because it's a selling thing. So you can keep the stop loss of 110 or like 101 or 102, like that. Above the buying price should be the stop loss. And what happened now? Now the price is falling down. So now the price has come down to 80 rupees. So 80 rupees, what you are doing now, you have to buy the shares. So already you have sold the shares. In order to equalize that, you have to buy the shares. So you are buying the shares at 80 rupees. So now what is the difference now? So now what is the difference is 20 rupees. So per share you are getting 20 rupees. So that 20 rupees is what? So normally people will ask you, what is this 20 rupees? I have sold the shares in 200 rupees, and I have buy the shares at 80 rupees. So this is the same like how we are doing in the buying, just opposite. So when you are buying a shares at 80 rupees, you are selling at 100 rupees, you are getting 20 rupees profit. The same way you are doing, you are selling at 100 rupees and you are buying here also. Same way when the price is coming down, you are buying at 80 rupees. So same way you will be getting profit of 20 rupees. So if you are buying 100 shares, you can make it 200 rupees from this. So this is the strategy of short selling. So short selling means the market has to fall down. Like for example, like today and due to COVID-19, the market was continuously falling down, and people were making lot of money, and people were be thinking how I can sell a share without even buying. So in this concept you can buy, and this is an MIS. Okay, so this is called as MIS account. So why it is called as MIS account means it is a margin intraday settlement. So if you are buying something, you have to sell on the same day, because nowadays like most of the companies are not allowing short selling, but they are allowing only on intraday. So like for example, if you are selling any shares, like for example, if you are buying any shares in intraday, you can convert that share to margin or delivery. But when you are doing a short selling, this is not possible. So you have to, if you are buying in today, you have to, sorry, if you are selling today, you have to buy today. There is no other option. You cannot carry forward, or you cannot make it into delivery. So this is MIS settlement. You have to settlement on the same day. So this cannot be carried forward to the next day, or you cannot hold for a long time. So you have to close on the same day. So that is a disadvantage of short selling. So for example, now like the market is going to fall down, and you bought the shares at you sold the shares at 100 rupees until 315. Before 315 you have to square up the position, and now after 315 you know like, okay, this is going to fall down. So you cannot hold that time. So you have to, if you are not squaring at 315, automatically the broker will be squaring off. So you will be getting loss. So that thing you have to keep in mind. So whenever you are going for a short selling, you have to, if the price is going up or down, you have to square up on the same day. If there is a loss, you have to take the loss on the same day, because now like it is going like 10 rupees up, and you have to take that loss and you have to exit from the position. So that is the problem whenever you are selling the stock. You have to keep in mind, if you are definitely sure the market will fall down or the company stock price will go down, only on those occasions only you have to sell, and you can buy when the price is coming down. So this is the major strategy of short selling. So always you have to keep in mind, you can sell any shares without even buying it. So and you can, once the price is going down, you can buy and you can make a profit. So that is a common strategy of short selling. So hope this topic is very clear, and if you need any clarification or anything, you can directly contact me. In the same way, let us see also, like today you can see like market was falling down and you can see Axis Bank and all was coming down. So in these occasions, what you can do, you can sell the Axis Bank, and once the price is coming down, you can buy the shares and you can make a profit. And the major disadvantage is that if you are selling today, you have to buy today, because there is no carry forward or no delivery, nothing will work out in short selling. So you have to settle on the same day. If the profit or loss, you have to settle on the same day. So hope this topic is very clear, and if you need any clarification or any support, you can contact me. In the same way, you can do one thing, you can visit my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Libin EJ, and you can learn, if you want to learn more about market, you can visit this channel and you can learn more about market, because I will be updating daily basis how the market is performing and where we have to invest. So a lot of strategy I will be sharing you in front. So in the same way, if anyone want to join, like this is like a free group I have created to support the beginners. So you can join freely here. You can see like daily basis I will be giving like where to invest, like what is the market situation, how Nifty is performing, how Bank Nifty is performing. So all those updates you will be getting freely. So here you can see like how today I was given on Bank Nifty, and you can see a lot of profit, like a lot of people are traded on that and made a good profit of that. So this group is absolutely free and you can join freely. And most of the time this WhatsApp group is almost full. And if you are not able to join to this group, you can do one thing, you can join to the Telegram group also. This I am created because the WhatsApp group is almost full now. So if you are not able to join in WhatsApp group, you can join in Telegram group, because this both will be same, like whatever things I am updating in WhatsApp group, I will be updating here also. So same thing you can see here, like what are the profit here, all those things you can see. So this is a free group, you can join freely. So in the same way, if anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking, you can open the account through the link I have mentioned here. So you'll be getting a full support, like once you open the account, I will be guiding you like what are the things where you have to invest. So all those things, guidance also I will be providing you. So this is absolutely free of cost. So you can join the group freely and you can open the account also freely. So there is no charges, nothing will be there. So hope this topic is very clear. So kindly like my video, also to share to your friends, subscribe. Thanks for watching.